Hiya, I'm Luke West. I'm one of the lecturers on the BA Game Arts course at the Plymouth College of Art. We look at everything from the pre-production concept process all the way up until that finished 3D asset. There will be opportunity for students to immerse themselves in world building, looking at what it takes to be a level designer, a prop artist, or even producing character and environmental concepts. A main point as a student with us is that you'll get to explore your aspired job pathway. It's that you're developing not only as an artist, but you're slowly edging your way towards becoming a professional in the games industry.
My name is Tim Gwynn. I am a user interface and user experience designer at PlayStation, and I studied game arts at Plymouth College of Art. If you were to boot up a game and you see like the menus, and then when you go into the game you have your head-up display, which like kind of denotes your health bar, your ammo, that's everything I would design. One of my fondest memories of being on the degree is networking. I actually was really fortunate to meet the president of Sony whilst I was there, and it was just an awesome experience. I met loads of other people there, really high-end game industry vets, and I managed to speak to them and they told me I was on the correct route, and from there on I knew that I was on the right path to get into the games industry.
On the programme, we're lucky to have a really exciting wide range of lecturers that will teach traditional drawing, digital drawing, 3D technologies, as well as some game engine software as well.
At the college, I learned a whole breadth of game development software techniques and skills, which set really solid foundation. The environment they built within the degree room mimics that of the one in that actual games industry studio, and that set me up for the games industry.